guys! So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my thumbnails, and I'm super excited about this video, so let's just get straight into it. The apps that I use are Fonto, PixArt, Lightroom, and Magic Eraser. I usually start off by editing my photos on Lightroom. For most of my photos, I honestly just play around with settings. Then I will go into PixArt. So then I will just draw a little white border around me and I will add some stickers. Once I'm happy with how it looks, then I'll just save that and bring that to Fonto. So Fonto, I usually just add my text there. Basically, you're just going to tap anywhere on the screen, press add text, then just type in whatever you want. Then you could adjust the style, the spacing, font, the color. And recently I've been loving adding some shadows and some text outline. You guys enjoyed this video and I really hope you found it helpful. If you have any more questions on making a thumbnail, just comment below. I am more than happy to help you guys out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!